Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can create a private server on Roblox, and some of these servers that you want to make private you have to pay for it, I think, but I'm just going to choose this Adopt Me one. I'm just going to click on it. And then if you want to create a private server, you're just going to go to servers, and as you can see, this one's free, but some of them you have to pay for it. Once you're done, you're just going to press create a private server, name it, and press buy now. And then you can customize it right here, or press not now. These are the configurations and stuff. For instance, friends allowed, and like add people. I don't have friends on Roblox because I just created this account. But that's basically how you can create a private server on Roblox, and here people can join your server. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!